how to create QR code for location in Google Maps. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create a QR code for a specific location in Google Maps. So this is actually highly helpful if you are trying to promote your business or your pop-up store on the social media application. So you can create a QR code for the location of your business, and your potential customers can simply scan that QR code to be able to view the location of your business on Google Maps. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Maps into your device, and then make sure you're signed into your account, and then select the business that you have in here, and then go ahead and click on this share button, which you'll find below that specific location, and then click on this copy link button. So go ahead and open a new tab, and on the new tab, go ahead and look for a free QR code generator. So in here, simply select the type of QR code that you want to create, and then you get redirected into the section. So into the section, simply paste the link and then name the QR code, and then create the password if you prefer to do that, and then click on the next button. So into the section, you can go ahead and create a design for your QR code. So you can go ahead and set up the frame for this QR code. So there are different frame types that you can choose from in here, depending on how you want it to look like. And then you can go ahead and change the frame text along with the frame color. You can also set the frame background color. So it could be whatever you prefer it to be. And then after that, you can go ahead and set the QR code pattern along with the pattern color. So make sure that the design that you're aiming for actually fits your business design before you proceed on the creation. So you'll be able to have the preview of your QR code at the right side of your screen. And then you can also set the QR code corners. So make sure that it is actually similar with the other items on your QR code. But you can also make it more colorful depending on your preference. So you can also add the logo that you have for your business, and then click on this create button to proceed with the next step. So your QR code is ready. So on this app, you'll actually need to create an account to be able to download this QR code, but there are also other applications where you can immediately download the QR code without creating an account on the platform. And that is how you can basically create a QR code for location in Google Maps.